Hello students, welcome back. In this video lecture, we will be discussing the question number 137 of NEET 2018 question paper. Match the following is given, where you have to match the items given in column 1 with those in column 2 and select the correct option given below. From these 4 options, you have to select the correct option. Column 1 has tricuspid wall, bicuspid wall, semilunar wall. Column 2, between left atrium and left ventricle, between right ventricle and pulmonary artery, between right atrium and right ventricle. Before discussing this question, let's quickly discuss how the circulation happens in the heart. As you all know, human heart has 4 chambers, 2 upper chambers, right atrium and left atrium, and 2 lower chambers, right ventricle and left ventricle. And you have aorta. What is aorta? What is this aorta? This aorta is the largest artery. And what is the function of aorta? The function of aorta is to carry the oxygenated blood and distribute it to all the tissues and cells present in the body. And the right portion of the heart deals with deoxygenated blood, right? How to remember this? Right is not always right. Okay, right is not always right. That is why right deals with deoxygenated blood. Left side of the heart deals with oxygenated blood. Okay, this is superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. These are the veins that will be carrying the deoxygenated blood from the upper parts. Upper part deoxygenated blood is carried by the superior vena cava, and inferior vena cava carries the deoxygenated blood from the legs and the lower portion. Okay, and what it does, these two veins dumps the deoxygenated blood into the right atrium, right? And there is a wall present between right atrium and right ventricle. That valve is known as tricuspid wall. Why it is known as tricuspid wall? Because it has 3 flaps. Okay, though right is not always right, it is sometimes right. Okay, that is why it is having more flaps. Okay, tricuspid is related to right. Now, the deoxygenated blood, I am writing like this, DO2, deoxygenated blood travels from right atrium to right ventricle, right? It travels from right atrium to right ventricle. Now, what is the speciality of these valves? The speciality of these valves is these valves can open only in one direction, right? They cannot open in the other opposite direction. That is the reason why they prevent the backflow of blood. How do they prevent the backflow of blood? They prevent the backflow of blood because they are not supposed to open in the opposite direction like this, upwards. They cannot open upwards. They will only open downwards when the deoxygenated blood from right atrium will travel from right atrium to right ventricle. Right. Now, from right ventricle, when the right ventricle pumps it, when this is contracted, right ventricle is contracted, the blood moves from right ventricle to pulmonary artery, right? Pulmonary artery. Why it is known as pulmonary artery? Because arteries generally carry the oxygenated blood, right? But this is a special artery. This is an exception where it carries the deoxygenated blood. And why pulmonary? Because it carries the deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenation. Okay. And the valve that is present between right ventricle and pulmonary artery is known as semilunar valve. Okay. And what it does, it is also opened in only one direction. It can only open in the upward direction, right? So it cannot open in the downward direction. So what will happen? It will prevent the backflow of blood from pulmonary artery to right ventricle, that is downwards, because it cannot open in downward direction, right? And you have another wall that is known as bicuspid wall present between the left atrium and left ventricle. Okay, now this deoxygenated blood will go to lungs and it will get oxygenated, and there is an exchange between the capillary cells, right? And the oxygenated blood will come back to the heart. Okay, oxygenated blood will come back to the heart and it will come towards the left side of the heart, right? So it will come back to the left atrium, right? From left atrium it will move into the left ventricle, right? Left ventricle, and there is a wall that is known as bicuspid wall present between left atrium and left ventricle that prevents the backflow of blood from left ventricle to left atrium, right? This will contract, right? Then only it will go into the aorta. And what is the function of aorta? Aorta will deliver the oxygenated blood to each and every body part, right? So when this contracts, when the left ventricle contracts, this bicuspid wall prevents the backflow of blood from left ventricle to left atrium. Okay, so semilunar valves are, two semilunar valves are present. Okay, one semilunar valve is present between the left ventricle and the aorta, and the second semilunar valve is present between the right ventricle and pulmonary artery. Both these semilunar valves prevent the backflow of blood into the ventricles. Okay, into the ventricles. And the valves that prevent the backflow of blood into the atrium are known as tricuspid and bicuspid, where tricuspid is present between the right atrium and right ventricle. Bicuspid is present between the left atrium and left ventricle. So what will be the correct answer? A is tri. So between right atrium and right ventricle, so A will be 3. Bicuspid between left atrium and left ventricle, so B will be 1. Semilunar valve is present between right ventricle and pulmonary artery, or it is present between left ventricle and aorta. Okay, so C is 2. A3, B1, C2. So correct option is option number 3. Thank you.